Cancer loves acid. Cancer also loves no oxygen. The other thing cancer loves is sugar. And so when people come to us wanting help to conquer cancer, you see what we do? We suggest a diet that's highly alkalizing. We suggest ways to oxygenate the body, and we also greatly eliminate the glucose, the sugars going into the body.
Discover the secret cancer-fighting foods that Big Pharma doesn't want you to know about, as revealed by Dr. Barbara O'Neill in this video. Learn how everyday foods can help in the fight against cancer and how to incorporate them into your diet for better health. Meet Dr. Barbara O'Neill, a naturopath who has dedicated her life to unlocking the secrets of the human body's incredible healing potential. Dr. Barbara O'Neill is also a devoted nutritionist and health educator with years of experience uncovering self-healing's hidden secrets. Her practical approach has transformed countless lives, as evidenced by numerous testimonies from those who have benefited from her guidance. Inspired by her miraculous recovery from an illness, Dr. Barbara has dedicated her life to empowering others to take control of their health. She is on a mission to expose the truth about the body's innate ability to heal itself and the powerful foods that can help make it happen. According to Dr. Barbara, cancer cells thrive in an acidic environment. This means that our body's pH level plays a significant role in the development and progression of cancer. pH measures the acidity or alkalinity of a substance on a scale of 0 to 14, with 7 being considered neutral. When the body's pH drops below 7, it becomes acidic, providing an ideal environment for cancer cells to grow and spread. Conversely, a body with a pH above 7 is considered alkaline, creating a less favorable environment for cancer cells to survive and multiply. Furthermore, alkaline environments support healthy cellular function, immune response, and overall well-being. Let's look at the foods that can fight cancer as recommended by Dr. Barbara O'Neill. First on Dr. Barbara's list of cancer-fighting foods are lemons, and this is what she has to say about them.
It has an alkaline effect because the lemon is high in the alkaline minerals, which is sodium and potassium, calcium, magnesium and iron. These are the alkaline minerals, and the lemon is high in the alkaline minerals. Don't you love the lemon? Every home should have a lemon tree.
According to Dr. O'Neill, lemons are among the richest foods in alkaline minerals. These minerals are essential for maintaining your body's pH balance, which makes it less hospitable for cancer cells to grow, thrive, and cause havoc. Here's a fun fact for your health journey. Lemons contain more potassium than apples or grapes. This mineral is vital for maintaining healthy blood pressure and supporting heart health. But that's not all. Potassium also regulates blood sugar levels, essential for starving cancer cells of its primary source of fuel glucose. By incorporating lemons into your diet, you're taking a proactive step towards a healthier lifestyle and killing off cancer cells. Magnesium, another key player in lemons, helps to regulate the body's stress response. This is important because chronic stress can weaken the immune system, making you more vulnerable to diseases like cancer. The calcium in lemons is not just good for your bones. It also aids in the body's absorption of vitamin D, which has been linked with a lower risk of cancer. Here's how it works. Vitamin D helps in regulating cell growth. Imagine our cells have a life cycle, and vitamin D ensures they grow, mature, and die in a controlled manner. In cancer, this process is compromised, leading to uncontrolled cell growth. However, vitamin D promotes healthy cell growth and differentiation, thereby reducing the chances of cells becoming cancerous. In other words, vitamin D acts as a traffic cop, directing cells to grow and mature in a controlled environment. When this process is disrupted, it can lead to uncontrolled cancer cell growth. Here's another fun fact. Did you know that our bodies can produce vitamin D when exposed to sunlight?
The ultraviolet rays from the sun hit the skin and convert a form of cholesterol just under the skin to vitamin D. And vitamin D is essential in the assimilation of calcium and the utilization of calcium in the body.
Well, lemons are also known for their high antioxidant content, which includes limonene. This potent compound, abundant in the peel and juice, has been extensively researched for its remarkable cancer-fighting properties. Limonene, a potent compound found in lemons, has been shown to prevent the spread of cancer cells, induce apoptosis, and even enhance the efficacy of conventional cancer treatments. Its antioxidant activity helps shield cells from damage caused by free radicals, reducing the risk of various cancers, including colon, breast, lung, and stomach cancer. Next on Dr. Barbara's list of cancer-fighting foods are grains, including millet, quinoa, amaranth, spelt, buckwheat, brown rice, and oats.
We had millet this morning. It's a delicious grain, isn't it? I think we'll be having quinoa at another breakfast time. These are alkaline grains, but they're also gluten-free grains, so that's made them very popular.
So, what makes these grains unique? According to Dr. O'Neill, they are alkaline. Maintaining an alkaline body pH creates an environment less hospitable for cancer cells to grow. In fact, according to the American Institute for Cancer Research and the World Cancer Research Fund, consuming at least 90 grams of whole grains per day can help reduce your risk of cancer, especially colorectal cancer. But how is this possible, you ask? Well, the colon is where fiber works its magic. As fiber moves through the digestive system, it binds with harmful substances like carcinogens, effectively reducing their impact on the body. But that is not all. Fiber, particularly soluble fiber, is essential in preventing colorectal cancer. It functions as a prebiotic, nourishing the good bacteria in the gut and supporting a healthy balance of bacteria in the digestive system. This, in turn, boosts the immune system and reduces inflammation, creating an environment that is hostile to cancer cells. Another exciting thing about dietary fiber is that it maintains stable blood sugar levels and prevents dreaded sugar spikes. When you consume fiber-rich grains, your body takes longer to digest them, resulting in a slower release of glucose into the bloodstream. This helps to keep your blood sugar levels steady and prevents the spikes that can feed cancer cells, which depend heavily on glucose to thrive. According to Dr. Barbara O'Neill, these grains are also gluten-free. While gluten does not cause cancer, a gluten-free diet can help reduce inflammation. If inflammation is left unchecked, it can contribute to the development of cancer. Persistent inflammation causes genetic problems, such as damage to DNA and disruption of normal cell functioning. Next on Dr. O'Neill's list of alkaline cancer-fighting foods is nuts.
The two nuts are your almond and Brazil, and all your seeds have an alkaline effect.
Nuts like almonds, walnuts, and pistachios are powerful cancer-fighting foods that deserve a place in your diet, not just as delicious snacks but as nutritious essentials. Due to their unique blend of nutrients, nuts play a significant role in preventing and fighting cancer. They are rich in healthy fats, fiber, and protein, which help maintain stable blood sugar levels and inhibit the growth of cancer cells. Additionally, nuts contain antioxidants that safeguard our cells against damage from free radicals. For example, walnuts contain a specific type of antioxidant called gamma-tocopherol, linked to a reduced risk of breast cancer. According to the American Institute for Cancer Research, eating 1 ounce of nuts daily can drastically lower your risk of developing cancer by 15%. Isn't that amazing? One of the reasons is that the antioxidants in nuts, such as vitamin E and selenium, help protect cells from damage caused by free radicals, which can contribute to cancer development. Nuts contain phytochemicals such as flavonoids and phenolic acids, which have been found to possess anti-proliferative and anti-inflammatory properties. These properties make it more difficult for cancer cells to proliferate and spread. One of the main components of nuts is omega-3 fatty acids, which are abundantly found in nuts like walnuts and have shown promising results in the prevention and fight against cancer. Omega-3s play a crucial role in preventing cancer by exerting their anti-inflammatory effects. Inflammation has been associated with the onset of different cancer types, and decreasing inflammation is an essential approach to cancer prevention. Omega-3s can transform into anti-inflammatory compounds known as resolvins and protectins, which aid in mitigating inflammation within the body. But that's not all. Omega-3 fatty acids also remarkably inhibit cancer cell growth. They can activate specific proteins called PPARs, peroxisome proliferator activated receptors, which are known to suppress cancer cell growth and promote cell death. If you're enjoying this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more eye-opening content. It really helps the channel grow and you'll never miss out on future videos. Have you done that? Awesome. Now let's jump back in.
Lima beans and lentils and soy are the 3 alkaline-forming legumes.
Lima beans, lentils, and soy are the 3 alkaline-forming legumes next on Dr. Barbara's list of cancer-fighting foods. They are delicious, versatile, and contain many nutrients and compounds that fight cancer cells. According to the American Institute for Cancer Research, eating legumes like lentils can lower one's risk of developing cancer. What makes these legumes such potent cancer combatants, you ask? Well, their distinctive combination of cancer-fighting substances makes all the difference. Lima beans, for instance, are rich in a compound called protease inhibitors. The ability of these compounds to inhibit the development of cancer cells, especially breast and colon cancer, is well documented. On the other hand, soybeans possess anti-cancer properties attributed to their unique blend of nutrients and compounds, particularly isoflavones, which cleverly mimic estrogen in the body. By binding to estrogen receptors, isoflavones like genistein and didzine may reduce the risk of hormone-sensitive cancers, such as breast cancer. Lentils are remarkable as they are rich in folate, a type of vitamin B essential for the healthy division of cells. A folate deficiency has been associated with an increased risk of certain cancers, such as colon and breast cancer. When these three foods are eaten together, they also provide our bodies with fiber, which, as we've learned, helps to keep blood sugar levels stable and prevent cancer cells from thriving. Moreover, they contain a compound known as saponins, which have been found to inhibit the growth of cancer cells, making them a potent weapon in the fight against cancer. Research suggests that legumes may have a beneficial impact on preventing various types of cancer. They have been found to inhibit the growth and spread of cancer cells, induce cell death in cancer cells, prevent the invasion of healthy tissues by cancer cells, regulate blood sugar levels, reduce inflammation, bind to carcinogens, and control their absorption into the bloodstream. Another superfood on Dr. Barbara's list of cancer-fighting foods is the fantastic leafy green.
Dark green leafy vegetables are also alkaline forming. Dark green leafy vegetables we should be eating every day.
Leafy greens such as kale, parsley, collard greens, and spinach are very nutritious, containing B vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. These greens support regular bowel movements, which can reduce the risk of constipation and diverticulitis, two conditions that have been linked to a higher risk of colorectal cancer. But that's not all. Leafy greens are also rich in antioxidants such as vitamin C and E and beta-carotene, which help protect cells from damage caused by free radicals, reducing cancer risk. Leafy greens, like kale, are also rich in compounds called glucosinolates, which have been shown to suppress the growth of cancer cells. Here's another fun fact. Kale contains a flavonoid called K-ampherol, which has been linked to a lower risk of cancer and other chronic diseases. Besides kale, parsley is another herb that deserves more than just a spot as a garnish on your plate. Parsley is super rich in apigenin, which has powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. It also contains miracetin, a compound known for its anti-cancer effects. Next on Dr. Barbara's list of alkaline cancer-fighting foods is collard greens. These robust leaves are packed with antioxidants such as quercetin and beta-carotene, which help protect cells from damage and reduce inflammation. Additionally, collard greens contain glucoraphanin, a compound that aids the body's detoxification processes and helps eliminate potential carcinogens. Another leafy green to consider is spinach. It is an excellent source of alpha-lipoic acid, an antioxidant that reduces inflammation and inhibits cancer cell growth. Spinach also provides high folate levels, a B vitamin essential for maintaining healthy cell division. Now that you've uncovered these powerful cancer-fighting foods Big Pharma doesn't want you to know about, it's time to take action. Start adding at least one to your daily routine and take control of your health. But remember, if you're on any medications or have health conditions, check with your healthcare provider first. If this video opened your eyes, don't keep it to yourself. Smash that like button, hit subscribe for more game-changing health tips, and share it with someone who could really benefit. Let's spread this knowledge far and wide and outsmart the system together. Thanks for watching, take care, and I'll see you in the next video.